Hello, Susanna. Now we are doing some physical or visual telling time in German. So this one is our 6, 7, 8. 8. And this one is 9, 10, 11. So basically this is 5 minutes before 8. 5 minutes before 8. So it is 7:55. 7:55. So as ist 5:04. So 5 minutes before. So 5 minutes before what? Before 8. 5:08. Es ist 5:08. If you say 7, then it will be wrong, because 5 minutes before having 8. So 5:08. The next one is our Viertel vor. Viertel. This one is 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10, 11. 12. So it is 11 minutes, 15 minutes before 11. I mean quarter before 11. Quarter 11. So it will be quarter is our Viertel. So Viertel before. Viertel vor. Viertel vor. 11. Viertel vor. 11. 11. So 10, 45. So it is 15 minutes before 11. 15 minutes to 11. So Viertel vor 11. If you use nach, it will be wrong, because nach is after. If it is like this, not this, then it will be Viertel nach 11. Viertel nach 11. Then it is quarter after 11. Quarter after 11. This one is as simple 3, 3 Uhr. This one 6, 7, 8 und 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 8. So it is about 20 minutes after 7. 20 minutes after 7. So it will be 20 nach 7. It will be 7:20. 20 nach 7. 20 minutes after 7. This one, Viertel nach. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5:15 o'clock. So Viertel, like is quarter, Viertel past. So past 15 minutes after 5. So Viertel nach 5. Viertel nach 5. This one. If you say Viertel vor 5 instead of Viertel nach 5, then it will be wrong, because Viertel vor 5 would be correct in case of it will be like this: 5:45. I mean 4:45. Then it will be Viertel vor 5. I mean 15 minutes before 5. So Viertel vor 5. This one. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 5:04, 4 o'clock. So in case of this, simple, 4 nach 5, because 5 minutes after 5, 4 minutes after 5. So 5:04. And this one 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 7:15. So Viertel nach 7. 15 minutes after 7. 15 minutes after 7. And in case of 24 hours of clock, so it will be 13 Uhr. Just it is because 1 p.m. Feel it.